Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use LocalSend on PC. All right, so first up, make sure that you have it installed. By the way, you can go ahead and use the browser version as well. So for browsers, just go ahead over to web.localsend.org. Okay, hit on enter. And here we have the web version. And just make sure that you open this site as well in another browser or another version from another device. So if you don't have the app yet, just go ahead and go to localsend.org, hit on enter, and just download it from here. Once downloaded, install it and open it up, and the UI will look like this. All right, so if you want to send something from your computer to another device, well, go ahead and click on send. If you want to receive something from another device, well, go ahead and click on receive. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and send a file to my Android device right here. So I'm going to click on file. It could be a photo, video, an installer, a folder, or whatever. Okay, so let's say I'm just going to send this blank picture right here. I'm going to open it up, and here we have it. Now go ahead and select the device that you wanted to send the file to. Just make sure that you're currently connected to the same exact Wi-Fi connection. And then once that's done, just click on the device. And then on the other device, all you got to do is just hit on accept. Once that's done, just click on the done button, and the transfer is complete. Now, hit on receive right here if you want to receive something. Now, let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and send some picture from my phone to this computer. All right. And here we have it. It says my Android wants to send you a file. Click on accept. And here we have the file. Click on done. Go to recents right here at the very top to view the file. Click on it. Wait a bit. And it should load. That's how simple it is to use LocalSend on PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.